A few hundred originals of his watercolor designs make up the Kilburn album, housed at the Victoria and Albert Museum in London. William Kilburn was the son of a Dublin architect and was an apprentice to a calico printer, but spent his spare time engraving and sketching. He moved to Bermondsey after his father's death, and found living quarters near Curtis's nursery. Kilburn was the chief petitioner in March 1787, requesting Parliament for design copyright protection in the textile industry. Ralph Yates, who was a London warehouseman, regularly sold Kilburn's designs to the firm of Peel and Co. in Bury in Lancashire, who would copy the design and produce a cheaper fabric that appeared in shops within a few days. Consequently, the House of Commons proposed a bill to control the plagiarism, a step meeting furious objections from Carlisle, Aberdeen, Manchester, and Lancashire, who felt that their trade would collapse. The bill was passed in May 1787, an act for the encouragement of the arts of designing and printing linens, cottons, calicos and muslins by vesting the properties thereof in the designers, printers, proprietors for a limited time. This limited time was a period of 2 months from the date of first publishing. Many of Kilburn's works are available for viewing at the Victoria and Albert Museum, in South Kensington, London. An archive of Kilburn patterns are also available from the online V&A archives.